Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL speaker turn off by itself. If you want to fix this issue, then you have few options. The first option is to check and charge your speaker. Make sure your speaker has full charge. A low battery level can cause your speaker to turn off. The second option is to check the power source. Ensure that the power source you are using to charge the speaker is working correctly. The third option is to reset the speaker. Resetting the speaker can help to resolve the issue. Press and hold the power and volume plus buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the speaker turn off. Then turn it back on again and see if the issue has resolved. And in the last, check the firmware updates. Make sure your speaker firmware is up to date. Check the JBL website for any available updates. And this is also an cause. When not connected to AC power, the speaker will be automatically switch off after 1 hour of inactivity to save battery consumption. You can adjust the auto standby time on JBL One app. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.